my style. Oh my gosh, I just had a heart attack. What is happening? Time out.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to today's vlog. So today you're just gonna kind of come around with us. It's just gonna be a vlog. So I think Tori's gonna take you for the first bit, and then I'm gonna take you for the second bit, and then we hopefully will be reunited later. Yes. So we're going down to make breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys kind of like my morning routine. Is it a routine? Morning. I do it a lot. Breakfast. You're just coming with me for breakfast, okay? You are so pathetic. Oh. You wanna go down and get some breakfast? Come on, let's go. Morning coffee time is seriously one of my favorite parts of the day. I don't know why, but I am just obsessed with coffee. If you watched our latest favorites video, I talk about this creamer that you see here, the mint truffle. It is so amazing. But here I am just making my coffee, obviously. And I'm using our Nespresso machine, which is amazing because it makes the coffee and it froths your milk, which is so much fun if you're into bougie extra coffees like I am. Are you gonna eat yours? Huh? As you can tell, the dogs also love this part of the day. They know that they are gonna get themselves some morning whippies when Tori is making her coffee. But now we move on to breakfast, so I'm just gonna make a protein shake, and I have not made this flavor before, so I'm making a pumpkin protein shake. I use 2 scoops of vanilla protein powder, about 1.5 cups of oat milk. I put in some fiber powder. I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon, a heaping tablespoon of pumpkin. Probably about, again, a tablespoon of plain yogurt, some cinnamon, some pumpkin spice, and some allspice. I would say I like my shakes on the runnier side if you are thinking about making this and texture is a thing for you. Mine are definitely on the runnier side, and this is just me trying to get into the fall groove. Oh! She's good. Do you want to try it? No. No? Just a tiny little sip?
I don't like the texture of yours.
Is it too runny? Yeah, you like yours thick?
I like shakes.
Ew!
Last but not least, gotta fill up that hydro jug because I am challenging myself with water.
And that's a wrap for me. Yeah. Good luck. Oh. Okay, so I am at my healthy place now. Fingers crossed it's good. I'm gonna bring you in. Yes. They were really nice in there, which is great because like I get nervous in places I've never been. Okay, so I'm gonna try the energy tea first, which is Island Tropics. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And then I also got a pumpkin cookie shake. Please hold, it's stuck to something. And oh, that's good. Oh, that's real good. Okay, so I found my new little hobby. Like crap, I can't get over how good this is. Like, I don't know if like y'all ever try like healthy stuff and you're like, you can tell it's healthy. This is like actually genuinely good. The only thing I'm worried about is that like in the past when I've had like protein shakes, they haven't filled me up, so like I'm just gonna fingers crossed that it fills me up for a little bit at least.
what I just did with my eyes is exactly how it makes me feel.
So today was a different kind of day at work because we did window display today and we were changing out some things for fall, just for the transition from like spring and summer into fall and winter. And right now I am currently bagging 2 huge ball gowns. But anyways, this was just something we had to do first before we could move on to the window display. And you will see me struggle to get one of the bigger ball gowns in the bag, and then struggle even more to get it in the box. So to start off, I just have to basically get the mannequins out of the window and strip the dresses down and do like a deep cleaning.
Watch out, 'cause I know the break's coming.
So as you can see, today is obviously a behind the scenes day, which is why I am dressed comfortably. Okay, so dressing the first mannequin, it went smoothly. And I have genuinely no idea what I just did there. Now on this next one is when I start to struggle, as you see with the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Then again, things were going smoothly, and then I realized that after I get her on the mannequin looking all perfect and everything, that she's the wrong height. And you see me debate here for a second. Yep, and then I realized I have to fix it. And then we start working on some of the background scenery. And we got some really pretty flowers and fall stuff from Hobby Lobby, and let me tell you what, when you let mama loose in Hobby Lobby, there ain't no coming back.
Current situation. It's fish fry night. Dang, that's smoking. You need to move that off the heat if you're done.
I'm not.
Oh, okay. Here we are. Over here we've got potatoes and we've got the fishy fish.
Lexi got home from work.
Oh!
This is going so
Poor little
poorly.
guy bit the dust. Does it taste good?
I normally like stuff like this, like uncooked. Let's try it. A little too cornmealy to be eaten raw.
That's, I was gonna say, I felt like maybe they were.
That's not my style. Oh my gosh, I just had a heart attack.
What is happening?
Time out.
Update. Everything is well and fine in the DeLeo household. There was just a little incident with the
There is a billion of these little
things.
we made a bunch. Well,
The first few of them were in there. Oh, cool.
oh my goodness. They're supposed to be like that. So,
You just added me.
no, it's all right.
It's our first time making hush puppies, and
True
we're
that.
hungry, and it's late.
I already cooked
and
the
if they're
fish,
bad, we're just gonna cover them in like ketchup or something. It'll be fine.
Totally.
Okay, so literally earlier I did the window and then the camera died. So I'm just pulling through to show you all of the pretties. But yeah, so we redid all of like the backdrop and the greenery and changed all the dresses on the mannequins. Yes.